Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the Deep Programming channel, and as well we will be starting C++ programming language and from the beginning till end and what it is related to C++. But first of all, let me tell you what is C++ and what is the purpose of C++ and why we are going to study this. So C++ is a powerful general purpose programming language. It can be used to develop operating systems, games, and so on. And C++ as well, it's supporting different ways of programming like procedural, object-oriented, functional, etc. And this makes C++ more powerful and flexible. So I can say about C++, if you learn this language well, so you will be not having problem in other programming languages, and that would be as well easy for you. Before starting, so first of all, we have to download the compiler. So we are going to take the compiler. The link of this compiler is in the description, and as well we will be explaining you that what is compiler. So we are going to download the compiler first of all, and we'll be talking about compiler. So that's it. We are going to download this. Click on that. So it will take some time to download this. So I've already downloaded this. Let's start with it. After downloading that, the file will come directly to download. Here we go. Here is imgw. Click on that to extract the files. So come and remove these up to the last slash. Extract the file, and the file will be extracting. But first of all, let me tell you about what is mean by compilation and why we need to download this and why we are using this. A compilation means to transform a program written in a high-level programming language from source code into object code. So a source code, it's like programmers write programs in form called source code. The first step is to pass the source code through a compiler, which translates the high-level language instruction into object code. And as well, it is having the main role a compiler. So without compiler, it's not possible because it should translate our coding to machine language. So it's necessary to have. The extracting file would be taking few seconds more. So let me close the whole windows, which we are having it to only focus on extracting the file. So it is going to finish, and after finishing that, we would be adding this in our advanced operating system. So it's almost finished. Yes, we are going through our main Windows folder. So after extracting, we'll be having file imgw there. We're clicking on imgw, then we are clicking on bin. So we are click on that area. So after that, we are copying this address, Control C. So after copying this, you're coming to this PC, right click on this free space, come to properties, advanced system setting. We'd be adding this address to environment variables. We are clicking on path, edit, new one, Control V, copy this. Okay. As well, we are going to copy this in the path system variables. For that, edit, as well, new one, We are also going to copy this. Okay, okay, and okay. So I have done with this part. So after that, we are going to download the Visual Code Studio, the code editor we would be writing our coding on that. So we are going to click this, and as well the link is in the description. We are going to copy this, and we are going to download VS Code. Control V, enter. So simply we are clicking here to download the Visual Code Studio. Here we go. So the download is started, and as well this will take time. So I have already downloaded this. I'm trying to make it shorter, and so we are going to install the VS Code. We are coming to download, and we are going to install this. Yes, I'm accepting the agreement. Next. So create a desktop icon as well. Yes, for me. Next, and install. So the file will be installing in few seconds. So as well, programmers are using Notepad as well for their programming. So, and as well other code editing files application, there are too much, but I can say to you the best one is Visual Code Studio. It will provide you more features, and that would be easy to code in that. So it's almost finished. So here we go, and that's done. Finish. Okay. So here, before starting, we should install CodeRunner. Come to extension, search CodeRunner, and click on the very first one. Install CodeRunner, and yes, it is installed. And after that, click on the compiler like C/C++. Click on the first one, as well install this. So we have installed these, and after that we are going to start our programming, and we are going to check that our programming is ready to work, our code is ready to work or not. So we are going to take new file, and the shortcut is Ctrl+N. It would be much easier. I'm going to save this file here, and the shortcut is called Ctrl+S. So we are saving the file. I'm going to save this in desktop. I'm going to create a new folder by the name of my CPP. Okay, and I'm going to save my C++ file, my first dot cpp. This is the extension file for cpp. So without that, the compiler will not understand that which language is that. So it's mandatory to write that file. the extension CPP, so it should be recognizable to the compiler. We are going to save this. So basically I'm going to write some basic program for C++, and we will be explaining you later that what is this for. Hash include iStream using namespace std. So just we are checking now, and we'll be explaining that what are these and what are the functions that. So here we go. We are going to write our very first program. Here I'm writing in double quote. Welcome to my first program, semicolon. So before running, we should save the file, and we are coming here and saving the file, and we are going to run this. Here we go, it is working. So that was our first video. Hope you guys learn something from this video, and as well for next video we'll be studying more, and as well we'll be explaining that what is hash include and iStream, these things. But just these were the beginnings that we have to install first of all. So see you guys inshallah in next video, and good luck up to that.